Hello everyone. Facing issues with Cash App? You're not alone. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix Cash App, the operation failed error, a common hiccup that frustrates many users. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be back to making transactions smoothly in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into technical solutions, the first step is to ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can often be the root cause behind the operation failed error. Connect your device to a reliable Wi-Fi network or ensure that your mobile data is functioning properly. If needed, restart your router or switch to a different network to ensure a steady connection. Step 2. Update the Cash App. Using an outdated version of the app might cause functionality issues. Navigate to your device's app store and check if there's a new version of Cash App available. Updating the app typically resolves any bugs or issues from previous versions. Install the latest version and attempt to use the app again. This simple update could be the key to resolving the error. Step 3. Verify your account information. Errors often occur when there's a mismatch in account information. Go to the settings in your Cash App and ensure your bank account details and linked card information are correct. Double check the account numbers and expiration dates. If any information is outdated or incorrect, update it and save the changes. An error as small as an outdated card can trigger the operation failed message. Step 4. Check your account balance. Sometimes insufficient funds can lead to failed transactions. Check your Cash App balance to ensure you have enough funds to complete the transaction. If necessary, transfer funds into your Cash App account from your bank or linked card. Keeping an eye on your balance before making large transactions can prevent this error from arising. Step 5. Check for server issues. There are times when the problem isn't on your end, but with the Cash App servers. Visit Cash App's status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. Unfortunately, if this is the case, waiting for the technical team to resolve the problem is the only option. Keeping informed through official channels ensures you're not troubleshooting unnecessarily. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If all else fails, your best bet is to reach out for professional help. Open Cash App, navigate to the profile icon, and scroll to find the Cash Support option. Here you can describe your issue and get direct assistance from the support team. They can provide specific guidance tailored to address the operation failed error and help regain app functionality. By following these steps, you should have a clear path to fixing the Cash App the operation failed issue. Whether it's verifying your account, checking your balance, or contacting support, each step is aimed at resolving the problem swiftly. Remember, keeping your app updated and maintaining a stable internet connection are preventive measures that can help avoid this error in the future. With these tips, you'll be well equipped to tackle any bumps in the road on your Cash App journey. Happy transacting!